In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and encrypt your Bitwarden vault. We'll walk through exporting your data from the Bitwarden web vault and making sure it's protected with strong encryption so you can keep a secure backup. Start by heading to the Bitwarden web vault in your browser. Once you're in your vault, look toward the top navigation and choose Tools. This is where Bitwarden groups utility features, including Export. On the Tools page, select Export. You'll see options that control exactly how your backup file is created. Open the File Format menu. Bitwarden provides several choices, and it's worth understanding what each one means before you decide. JSON creates a structured, human-readable export that's easy for other tools to parse, but it is not encrypted by default. CSV is a simple spreadsheet-style format that many apps can open, but it's also unencrypted and can be messy for complex items. Zip typically refers to a package file, useful when the export needs to bundle multiple pieces together. An encrypted JSON is the secure option that wraps your vault data in strong encryption so it's protected if the file is ever exposed. For a secure backup, choose encrypted JSON. Below the format, you'll see encryption controls. Enable account restricted to tie the encrypted export to your Bitwarden account, which helps prevent it from being imported elsewhere without your credentials. Then enable password protected to add a dedicated file password. This creates a second lock on the backup itself, separate from your Bitwarden master password. Click into the file password field and create a strong, memorable passphrase. Aim for something long, unique, and not used anywhere else. Carefully re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. If these don't match, the export won't proceed, so take a moment to double check. When your format and security options look right, click Export. Bitwarden will prompt for your master password. This is a security check to confirm that you're the account owner before sensitive data is prepared. Enter your master password and click Continue. Your encrypted backup file will be generated and downloaded by your browser. Keep in mind that unencrypted formats like JSON or CSV are only appropriate if you have a specific reason and a secure handling plan. Otherwise, encrypted JSON with a file password is the safest route. Finally, store the backup and its password information securely and separately. If the password is lost, the backup can't be decrypted, which is exactly what makes it trustworthy. That's it. You've created a secure, encrypted backup of your Bitwarden vault.